Hi, this is your dietitian Anuradha here. Many queries about the chikki making, the peanut chikki. It's a simple thing. Take groundnut, just you have to dry roast it. Do not roast it to the dark like how we make for the groundnut chutney. Just dry roast it like little it has to become hot such that you can dehusk it. Dehusk it and remove the cotyledons like the peanut into two. Then you just have to put in a pan jaggery how much sweetness you need like that. Suppose you are taking 1 cup of peanut, you have to put 2 cups of jaggery. Then boil it. If you want to add little ghee or butter to it, your wish. Just boil it to the thread consistency to the ball consistency. So how you will know it? Put the jaggery into the plate, take a plate of water and put this jaggery into that and roll and seal. When it forms a ball, then to add the peanuts to it and rim. Then to the pan or a plate, you just add little butter or ghee or oil. Then pour the mixture into that. When it is semi-hot or to the warm consistency, then you can cut into the pieces or make a ball however you would like. It's a very simple procedure for making peanut chikki or peanut balls. So the chikki is very easy. I hope you all will try it. All the best.